Introduce highlight features or overview summary of NEWFAST AC1300 USB Wi-Fi Adapter, and U329. There are features include 802.11 AC wireless speed. Elevate your network connection with this AC1300 USB Wi-Fi adapter, designed for PC desktops, providing a stable and fast wireless signal. This dual-band adapter offers lightning-fast speeds of 867 MB per SEC, on 5 GHz and 300 MB per SEC, on 2.4 GHz, ensuring a seamless online experience. Perfect for streaming, gaming, and more. Multi-user support. The wireless network adapter supports MU-MIMO technology, allowing multiple users to send and receive data simultaneously. By utilizing spatial multiplexing technology, multiple data streams can be transmitted over the same frequency channel, effectively increasing data rates and throughput. It's the perfect solution for boosting your desktop PC's network performance. Micro USB 3.0 interface. Equipped with 4x6 dBi dual-band antennas and a micro USB 3.0 interface, this adapter delivers blazing fast wireless transmission speeds. The USB 3.0 port ensures maximum throughput performance and a more stable internet connection for the Wi-Fi adapter. It is also compatible with USB 2.0. 4 high-sensitivity dual-band external antennas better receive wireless signals for greater coverage. Secure encryption. With WPA, WEP/WPA, PSK/WPA2, PSK encryption, this USB 3.0 Wi-Fi dongle ensures a secure and reliable connection. Anti-hacking, anti-leakage, anti-attack, anti-hijacking, ensure your personal data and important information safe. Novel model design with 3.28 feet cable ensures flexible placement, ideal Wi-Fi adapter for desktop computers. Widely compatible. With a wide frequency band range, high transmit power, and support for Windows XP, 7, 8, 8.1, 10, 11, this Wi-Fi adapter comes with pre-installed drivers. Follow the installation guide to complete the installation in just a few easy steps. No need to be technically proficient. This Wi-Fi adapter also has a soft AP function that turns a wired network connection into a Wi-Fi hotspot, transmitting wireless signals for more Wi-Fi devices. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.